Close your eyes for a moment, and imagine a world where time stands still. Welcome to Norway. A land of quiet wonder, where nature doesn't just exist, it speaks. From the whispering winds of the towering peaks to the deep, silent waters of the ancient fjords, this is a sanctuary of peace. Here, massive glaciers from the Ice Age have carved deep valleys, letting the ocean flow right into the heart of the mountains. These are the Norwegian fjords. As the roaring waterfalls cascade down vertical cliffs, they create a gentle mist, a soft blanket over a landscape that has remained untouched for thousands of years. It's a place that reminds us of how small we are, and how grand the earth can be. As we travel further north, beyond the Arctic Circle, we find the Lofoten Islands. A place where dramatic mountains meet the open sea, cradling small, historic fishing villages. And when winter arrives, the dark night sky turns into a cosmic canvas. The aurora borealis, the northern lights, paint the night in dancing shades of emerald and violet. It is a celestial dance, a quiet reminder of the magic that exists in our universe. Norway is more than just a place on a map. It is a feeling. A feeling of deep breath, of absolute silence, and unmatched beauty. Thank you for wandering with us through the untamed north. If you found peace in this journey, subscribe to our channel, and let us explore the wonders of our beautiful earth, together.